Hey there, ever wondered if you could make a guitar out of just pencils? Let's dive into this crazy experiment. First up, we've got a mountain of colorful pencils stacked up. It's like a rainbow exploded in here. After that, we pour in the epoxy resin. This stuff is like magic glue that holds everything together. Once it's all dried up, we carefully take off the frame. It's like revealing buried treasure. But wait, it gets even cooler from here on out. Now we've got a surface smoother than a skating rink. It's so satisfying to touch. Time to give it that glossy shine with a quick spray. Ah, shiny, shiny. Next step, we're cutting out the shape of a guitar. Precision is key. Isn't this fascinating? Imagine making one yourself. Now let's make sure those edges are as perfect as a pizza slice. And now we're adding the other guitar parts. This thing is starting to look like a real electric guitar. Of course, what's a guitar without strings? Let's string this bad boy up! Ta-da! Check out this masterpiece! Did you have fun making this? Don't forget to like and follow for more awesome DIY adventures.